Hello everyone, hope you are doing really well. I'm Zahra from MM14 and in this video I want to show you how I use blocks on Moodle. As you see, there's a block called block menu on Moodle, and there are some features about it. View all entries for this course, view my entries about this course, add an entry about this course, and these are the features about this course. But generally on Moodle, blog entries, add a new entry, and blog RSS feeds, and view all entries. Okay, let's see how each of them can help us in blogging on Moodle. Okay, here is the blog entries about Moodle. Our friend Anna has also already entered one. And also view my entries about this course. About this course, so far I haven't had any entries. Add any entry about this course. Add an entry, sorry. Okay, let's just begin logging here. Entry title. We can call it blogging on MM14. I have started to Okay, we can delete it anytime, I hope, because it's just the testing. We can attach some file, we can add some pictures and do whatever we can do with this rich editor, whatever that we did on the other messages. Okay, let's save changes. This is my entry. Okay, now let's go back to the page. Okay. Now I've added an entry. Let's view my entry about this course. Okay, now as you see, there is one entry here. Anyone in the world can visit it, can see it. So there must be some privacy thing about it. I can delete it, edit it, delete it, or get the permalink. Okay, let's just delete it. This was just a test. Sorry, let's go back to the main page. Okay, and now we've got blog entries. Blog entries show the entries by all people, including me, in other courses. These are related to the other time, for example 2018, the previous courses. And then let's go to see add a new entry. Again, we can add a new entry across these courses and go to blog RSS feed. Well, this XML file doesn't appear to have any styling from. Okay, I cannot make head and tails of it. RSS feed is supposed to show me how many entries have been entered, how many new entries I've got. I don't know how to use this link, but again, we've got view all entries. As you see, there are different pages showing all entries added to this blog. Not all of them are related to me, so let's go back And this is the way that we can use the internal blog of the model related to the course and across courses. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a nice time.